and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and preparation for Elastic Certified Observability Engineer exam. In the previous video, we start defining ingest pipeline, and we see various type of processors. We saw append, convert, date, dissect, and today we will start from .expander. With that being said, let's jump to the documentation and read about this processor. So this processor what we'll do exactly. So if we define a field foo, for example, dot bar, and we give it a value, and here this processor is make it like a nested field, like this is the father, this is the child, like this child, this bar, it's a child of a foo, and foo is the father of bar, right? This can help with various use cases and different use cases, but keep it in mind if they ask in the exam to expand or to do something similar, then expand is the right processor to implement that. Here we have a few examples, right? If we have this, or if we have this value, right? If we have foo.bar and foo.bar like this, value 1, value 2. In this case, if we write down or if we use the expand processor, mean here it will be two values in the same field, which is foo.bar. We will implement this one and see how it will go. We keep working with our document here, right? And I will take one of the field that I add manual last time. I will so here, for example, we have agent.name, right? I will do now agent.name. So name here is the child, but I will add another field, right, with another value, but in expand mode, like agent.name, not like this. I will do it right here. So I will do something. I do something like this: agent.name. Sorry. Here I will. Sorry. Here I will give the value local host or whatever, and here we add a comma like this, right? And now how we can use it. Here we go. Wait. We will see the example exactly. So here we have this example. So let's see how we can use it. So we go to our ingest pipeline here. Let me close this one. I will add it. .expander. I will do agent.name. Agent.name as well, right? Here we go, and here we will add a value. So here it's not correct, so 1 second. Field containing a dot notation, right? And here the path output field only required if the field to expand is part of another. No, I don't need this. Here we go. Now it's working. So if I edit the document, I will copy paste this one, the modified one, the one that I modified. So I will select all, open this bracket. Here we go. If I go and search for agent.name, then this local host is from the past. I don't remember which one, but here, okay, I will change name. Expander processor. I will take it like this. I will modify our document just like this. I will put here, I will run the pipeline, and here we go. Here is the value, right? I hope it's clear. Now let's move to another one. So GeoIP. Let's go to documentation and read GeoIP. Here we go. So what's this GeoIP will do exactly is like if you have an IP address and you want to enrich this IP address with the geolocation, then you can use the GeoIP processor to add a field or to add a value or details about the IP, like about the geolocation of the IP, right? I will take an IP address, right? And just copy this one. Perfect. I guess this IP address. Now let's see a few examples here. So you choose the field, right? And this is, for example, the IP, and the output, it will be the value. For example, here they give this public IP address. I will also use the same public IP address, and this is the output here: Europe, Sweden, and this other details, right? Location and so on and so forth. Let's see how we can use it. Let me close this one. I will add the processor. So here is GeoIP. The field, I will add a new field here. I'll just call it public. 1 second. I will call it public, and here IP, and here I will give the value. What is missing here? Yes, it's here. I'm missing something. 1 second. Let me see the. Now we put it between two brackets like this. Perfect. I will copy it. So let's implement it here. We will add. Okay, so the field is public.ip. So the field will be public.ip. We keep it as it is. All right. I will add here because it didn't find. If you see the outputs, it didn't find this field in our document. I will add it, and this will fix the problem. Just like this. Here we go. It's fixed here. And if we go to the output, let's see what we have in the output. So we supposed to get this details. What is it? So country name, continent name, country ISO code. Let's see. There we go. We go up. Okay, not here. Okay, let's save first. Okay, let's see now. Let's run it again. Here we go. So we have now here the public IP. Let's run it here. Here agent. Okay. Okay. Yes, here we go. So here we have GeoIP. So it's like this. It's GeoIP, and everything inside the GeoIP. So we have the continent name, country, ISO code, country name here, continent, here location, right? So this is the informations, right? Let's jump to another one. Let's go to Grok. Even we Grok we use it, if you remember, in the past. Then I will just do the same example that we did in the past. So if you remember, one of the, let me do this, log file path. Here we go. Not this. add it to the last maybe 24 hour, and if I click here, I see we have this one, right? So we did it with this one. So what we did this, we have the message, right? And we did or we extract the name, or sorry, we extract the IP address from here, and we extract the ID, and we extract the name of the user. So this is the example. I will just put it here. So what we did, we have a document here. So the document contain a message here. So this is the message. So the Grok parser, what we'll do exactly, it will come here and extract IP, extract ID, extract the name. If we come to the documentation and we look for Grok parser or a processor, I keep saying parser. So yeah, so this is the example. It's basically the same one, or similar to the one that I use in my, or in this in our environments. So what's the Grok parser will do? We'll take field by field, right, and split the full message into different fields. This is the output, right? So we, for example, here the IP, you will find the IP here. So they name it client. Here they name it method. So if you go to here, you find the method, and so on and so forth, right? So in our example, if we simulate it, so if we run the outputs, so here the outputs will be, right? So let me just make sure what we are extracting. So we are extracting client underscore IP. Let me see, client underscore IP. I will run again. Okay, so let me search for it. Yeah, here we go. We have the client underscore IP, and here we have the ID, right? And here we have the client name, right? This is about the Grok processor. Let's jump another one. I don't know. Now we continue with the last processor. I hope the video is not too long. So fail. If we go to the documentation and you search for fail processor. So fail processor is when the ingest pipeline fail, it will generate a message, right, and point you what's happening exactly. So here in our example, it said it's go to a field name tags, right? If this field doesn't contain word or tags production, here it will generate this message, right? To define this, to define the fail, so we will add a new processor, and here we search for fail, and here we put the message. So I will just copy paste the first part of the message from here, right? We come here and put the message that we want, and the condition, since we have a condition here, so whenever it's fail, it shows us this value, right? Or show us this message. So this is the condition. When the condition met, show me this this value. I will save, and for our document, I will copy paste, or I will add, or I have add already here tags. So I will copy paste these documents. It generates an error because the document is not here. 1 second. Let me just do this. Here we go. It works fine, right? Now let's modify the document again, and we do here, we remove the tag production, and we said dev, for example, just dev. So here, if we run, if the pipeline works fine, here it will generate the error and said the production tag is not present, right? So let's see if this works or no. So click and run, and here we go. This is the error, and this is the message. The production tag is not present, right? With that being said, I hope you like the video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. We will continue in the next video talking about the rest of the of the processors.